Hi, hello. Welcome to Maths Class SJ YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about CTET December 2019 paper 2 mathematics subject. Okay. So in this video I will try to solve December 2019 CTET paper 2 mathematics paper. Okay. So I will start. I will go to first question, and the question is, if minus 12 into minus 3 plus 20 divided by minus 4 minus of minus 24 divided by 8 minus of 16 divided by minus 2, which is equals to minus 28 divided by 7 plus x. Then the value of x is, you can find here value of x. Okay, this is already given, you can find here x value. Okay, then the value of x is how much? Option first one is 47, second one is 29, third one is 39, and fourth one is 46. Okay, so these four are the options, right? So next you can write here solutions. After that you can use here board mass. Okay, already you know you can use here board mass method. Okay, using this you can find the value of x. Okay, so you can multiply here, minus into minus is plus, 12 3 is 36, plus you can write as it is 20 divided by minus 4. I will write like this, 20 divided by minus 4, minus you can write as it is minus 24 divided by 8. Okay, so minus of 16 divided by minus 2. Okay, you can write this one as 16 divided by minus 2, which is equals to minus 28 by 7 plus x. You can write this as it is. Okay, after that you can write this 36 as it is, plus 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja. You can write here minus 5 minus of 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. You can write here minus 3. Okay, because here minus is there. Minus you can write this as it is, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, which is equals to 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28, and you can write this minus 4 as it is, plus of x you can write. Okay, so 36 you can write, plus minus 5 you can write, minus into minus is plus, you can write 3, minus into minus is plus, you can write 8, which is equals to minus 4 you can write outside. Okay, plus x you can write as it, right? Next you can write this plus 36 as it is, plus minus 5 plus 3, this becomes minus 2, minus into plus is minus, you can write this 2 as it is, plus 8 minus 4 you can bring this side, this is plus 4. Okay, so here 36 minus 2, 36 minus 2 is 34, 34 plus 4 is 38, 38 plus 8 is 46. So therefore x is equals to 46 you can write. Okay, so next I will go to second question. So question is, how many pairs of twin primes are there between the integers 1 to 100? This is the question. You can find here how many pairs of twin primes are there between 1 to 100. Okay, so and the options are, first one is 8, second one is 5, third one is 6, and fourth one is. So here first I will explain what is meant by prime number. Okay, prime number means number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. This is the definition of prime number. Okay, so here we can see how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. So here I will tell you how to remember or how to memorize prime number between 1 to 100 in easy way. Okay, so between 1 to 100 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Okay, so here first 1 to 10 4 prime numbers are there. Okay, 11 to 20 4 are there. Okay, 20 to 30 2 prime numbers. Okay, so 30 to 40 again 2 prime numbers. Okay, 40 to 50 3 prime numbers, 50 to 60 2 prime numbers, 60 to 70 2 prime numbers, 70 to 80 3 prime numbers, 80 to 90 2 prime number, 90 to 100 1 prime number. So total how many prime numbers are there? 25 prime numbers are there, because 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19, 19 plus 6 is 25. So total between 1 to 100 25 prime numbers are there. Okay, so you can remember this one like this. How you will remember? mobile number like that. Okay, so 4422 322 321, you can remember like this: 4422 322 321. Okay, so next I will go to what I mean by twin primes. Twin primes means difference between the two primes is 2. Difference between two prime number, you got 2, then it is called twin primes. Okay, so between 1 to 100, how many twin primes are there? I will explain here. So first one is 3 5, these two are called twin primes. Next one is 5 7, these two are called twin primes. Okay, 11 13, right? 17 19. Okay, 29 31 41 43 59 61 71 73. So these all are called twin prime numbers, right? So how many is there total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. 8 twin primes are there between 1 to 100. So you can write in words, there are 8 pairs of twin primes between 1 to 100, you can write. Okay, so next I will go to third question. So next, third question. Question is, if a 8 digit number 30x0867y is divisible by 88. Okay, so then what is the value of 3x plus y? This is the question. Here 8 digit one number is there, this is divisible by 88. Then the what is the value of 3x plus y? This is the question. Okay, and the options are, first one is 7, second one is 4, third one is 5, and fourth one is 6. So you can use here divisibility rule. Okay, so already given this 8 number digit is divisible by 88, means you can use here divisibility rule. 88 can be written as 8 into 11. Okay, or 88 factors are 8 into 11. First you can find the divisibility of 8. Okay, so for 8, how you will tell whether given number is divisible by 8 or not? When its last 3 digits of given number is divisible by 8, then this number is said to be divisible by 8. Okay, so you can consider last 3 digit, that is 6 7y. You can write here 6 7y and you can divide this by 8. 8 8 ja 64, you can write. Then remainder is 3, you can write this y as it is. Okay, 8 4 ja 32, 3y 32. So in place of y you can take here 2. Okay, so you got here y value, that is 2. So for 11, when you will say the given number is divisible by 11, okay, if difference of sum of even place digit and sum of odd place digits is equal to 0, it means difference of even place sum and sum of odd place, you can add first even places and odd places, after that you can find the difference between these two. Okay, so in the given number you can first write here even place digits, that is 3x 8y. so these 4 are the even place digits. Okay, and you can find the sum of odd place digits. Odd place digits are 0 0 6 and y. If this is equal to 0 or multiple of 11, then that is said to be divisible by 11. Okay, so you can add this all, 3 plus x plus 8 plus 7 minus, you can write 0 plus 0 6 plus y. Y value you can substitute 2. Okay, that is this. Okay, so you can subtract these two. It's a difference. If you got 0 or 11, then this is said to be divisible by 11. So 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus x is 18, plus x you can write minus 6 plus 2, because y value already we got here 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, which equals to 0, or you can write 11, because this is divisibility rule. 18 plus x you can write minus 8, which equals to 0. So plus 18 minus 8, plus 18 minus 8, its value is 10. Okay, so therefore x is equals to, you can write here minus 10, because 18 minus 8 plus x you can bring this side, then this becomes minus x. 18 minus 8 is 10, which equals to minus x, and x is equals to minus 10. So therefore you got here x equal to minus 10 or x equal to 11 minus 10 is, that is 1. Okay, so x equal to minus 10 or 1 you can write here. Then the value of, you can find here value of 3x plus y. So you can write here 3x plus y, which equals to 3 you can write as it is, and the x value we got here 1 plus y value is 2, which equals to 3 1 ja 3 plus 2, that is 5. So therefore you can write here, therefore 3x plus y, which equals to 0, right? So correct answer is 5, that is third option is correct. Next I will go to fourth question. So question is, the value of 6 integer 2 by 3 divided by 2 integer 1 by 2 into 3 integer 3 by 4 minus 5 integer 1 by 2 into 4 integer 1 by 4 plus 1 integer 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 plus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 is how much? Okay, you can find the value of this, means you can simplify this and you can find the value of it. Okay, so correct options are, and the options are, first one is minus 6 integer 1 by 2, and second one is minus 11 integer 1 by 12, and third one is 11 integer 1 by 12, and fourth one is 6 integer 1 by 2. This is the option, these are the options. Okay, you can write here solution. After that you can use here board mass. Okay, you can use here board mass, means first you can use bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, so first you can write this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20 divided by 3 divided by 2 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2 into 3 4 is 12 plus 3 is 15 by 4 minus 2 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 by 2 into 4 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17 by 4 you can write, plus 3 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3 you can write, into 7 by 8 plus you can cut these two, 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Okay, this is 1 by 2 you can write. Okay, so after that you can write this 20 by 3 as it is. After that you can write here divided by is there, divided by becomes into, you can write. When you will write this into, then denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. 2 by 5 into 15 by 4 minus 11 into 17, because here multiplication is there, you can multiply 11 into 17 you can write, divided by 2 4 is 8 plus 5 by 3. After that you can add these two, because addition is there, means you can find LCM of 8 and 2. LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. 8 how much? 8 8 1 ja, you can multiply this also by 1. 7 1 ja 7 plus you can write 2 4 ja 8, means you can multiply this also by 4. 1 4 ja 4. Okay, so then you can write 20 by 3 as it is, into, you can simplify here. This is 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, and 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Okay, so you can write here 3 by 2. Okay, so minus 11 into 17 by 8 plus 5 by 3. Okay, so 7 plus 4 is 11 by 8 you can write, which is equals to 2 1 ja 2 10 ja 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. Okay, so 10 into 1 is, you can write 10. 10 into 1 is, you can write 10 minus, multiply these two, that is 11 into 17. So 11 7 ja 77 you can write, 11 1 ja 11 plus 7 is 18. Okay, 187 divided by 8 you can write, plus 5 into 11 is 55 divided by 3 into 8 24, because here bracket is there, you can multiply these two. 5 into 11 is 55, 3 into 8 is 24. Okay, so which is equals to, you can find LCM of these all, means 1 8 and 24 LCM you can find, that is 80 24. LCM of 8 and 24 is 24 you can write. So 1 how much is 24? 1 24 ja, 24 into 10 is 240 minus 8 3 ja, you can multiply this is also by 3. 3 7 ja 21 carry 2, 3 8 ja 24 plus 2 is 6 carry 2, 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 24 1 ja 24 means 55 1 ja 55 can write. Okay, you can add here 240 and 55. Then this is 295. So you can write here 295 minus 561 divided by 24. Okay, so this is equal to 295 minus 561. You can subtract 295 in 561. Okay, 11 minus 5 is 6. This is 5. 15 minus 9 is 6, and then this becomes 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so this is minus 266 divided by 24. Okay, so which is equals to, you can write here 266 divided by 24 means 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 2 3 ja divided by 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Okay, so you can divide this 133 by 12. You can divide this, then you will get here minus 11 integer 1 by 12. Okay, so this is the correct answer, and the correct option is minus 11 integer 1 by 12. So next, fifth question, and the question is, what number should be subtracted from each of 50, 61, 92 and 117 so that the numbers so obtained in this order are in proportion? Which number if you subtract, then you will get here in the proportion? This is the question. Okay, so and the option is, first one is that is 23, second one is 14, third one is 17 and fourth one is 19. These are the options. Okay, so you can solve here, you can write here solution. Okay, you don't know which number you want to subtract, you can consider let the number be x, you can write. Okay, according to the question you can subtract among from these four numbers. Okay, so 50 minus x and 61 minus x, 92 minus x, 117 minus x, you can write already given. These all are in the order of proportion. Okay, so 50 minus x ratio, 61 minus x proportion, 92 minus x ratio, 117 minus x you can write. Okay, after that you can multiply these two. Okay, because this is in the form of a is to b proportion c is to d. Okay, so then you can multiply these two, right? So middle term and end term you can multiply. B into c, that is b into c is 61 minus x into 92 minus x, you can multiply these two, and end terms, that is 50 minus x into 117 minus x, you can multiply these two. Okay, so after that you can multiply these two. 50 into 117, you will get here 5850 minus 50 into x, you can write 50x as it is, minus into plus is minus 117x, 117 into x is 117x, minus into minus is plus, x into x is x square, which equals to, you can multiply these two. 61 into 92, its product is 5612, you can write. Okay, after that 61 into minus x minus 61x, you can write. Then you can multiply this x to these two digits. Minus into plus is minus, x into 92 is 92x, minus into minus is plus, x into x is x square. Okay, after that you can simplify, then you will get here x value. Okay, here on x square, here on x square, you can cancel these two. Okay, so 50x, this is minus, minus 117x, this is also minus, minus minus you can add and you will get here minus only. 50 plus 117 is 167, you can write x as it is. 5850 you can write as it is. This you can write as it is, that is 5612. Okay, so minus, you can add these two. 61 minus 92, 61 minus 92 is minus 61 minus 92 is minus 153x. Okay, you can cancel this x square from left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so you can bring this 5612 this side, then this becomes plus, right? You can bring this side, this one this side, then this becomes minus. Okay, 5850 minus 5612. Okay, so its difference is 238, you can write as it is, and 167x minus 153x, its difference is 14x. Next you can bring this 14 this side, then this becomes divided by. Okay, so you can simplify this one or you can divide this one, then you will get here x value 17, right? So and the correct answer is 17, you can write, that is third option is the correct answer. Okay, so next I will go to sixth question. So next, sixth question, and the question is, if 21,168 equal to 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b into 7 to the power c. Okay, so where a, b, c are natural numbers, then you can find the value of 4a minus 5b plus c. You can find the value of 4a minus 5b plus c. Okay, and the correct and the options are: first one is 3, second one is 0, third one is 1, and fourth one is 2. So these four are the option. You can choose correct option. Okay, so you can write a solution. After that you can solve this one. First you can factorize this given number. Okay, find the factors of 21,168. Okay, you can write here using prime factorization. You can find the factors. You can use here 2. Okay, 2 times 20, then this is 11, 2 5 is 10, then this is 16, 2 8 is 16. Okay, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, and remainder is 1. This is 18, 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, and 2 4 is 8, then this is 12, 2 6 is 12. You can write. Okay, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. Right. So next take here 3. 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12, and 3 1 is 3. Okay, again you can take here 3, 3 1 is 3. Okay, so then this becomes 14, 3 4 is 12, and 2, then this becomes 3 4 is 12, this is 21, 3 7 is 21, 3 4 is 12, 2 means 27, 3 9 is 27, 7 7 is 49, 7 1 is 7. Okay, so you can find factors. Factors are 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 7 into 7. After that, already given in the form of 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b into 7 to the power c. Okay, so you can also you can write here 2 to the power 4, means how many 2's are there? 4 2's are there. You can write 2 to the power 4 into 3. How many is there? 3 times 3 is there. You can write 3 cube into 7. 2 times is there. You can write 7 square. Next you can compare this and this. Okay, so 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b into 7 to the power c. You can write this as it is, and also you can write this one also. Okay, so here base are same, then if base are equal, then powers also equal. That is a equal to 4 and b equal to 3 and c equal to 2, because here base are equal. So then powers also equal. So you got here a value 4, b value 3, and c value 2. Then you can find the value of 4a minus 5b plus c. So you can write here now 4a minus 5b plus c equal to 4. You can write a means 4, 4 4 is 16, minus 5 into b is 3, 5 3 is 15. Okay, so plus c value is 2. 16 minus 15, that is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. So and the correct answer is 3. That is value of 4a minus b plus 3 equal to 3. You can write. Next I will go to 7th one. So next question, that is, let x be the least number which when divided by 8, 12, 20, 28 and 35, you will get here leaves a remainder 5 in each case. Okay, so when we will divide a number x by this all numbers, then we will get here a remainder 5 in each case. And the question is, what is the sum of the digit of x? What is the sum of the digit of x? This is the question. You can find here sum of the digits of this x. Okay, so and the options are: first one is 17, second one is 11, third one is 14, and fourth one is 15. These four are the options. So next you can write here solution. Okay, so you can find here LCM of 8, 12, 20, 28 and 35. After that you can add 5 to the LCM. Okay, so LCM of 8, 12, 20, 28 and 35 you can find. First you can find factors of 8. Factors of 8, 2 into 2 into 2, and factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3, 20, 2 into 2 into 5, 28 means 2 into 2 into 7, 35 means 5 into 7. So 2 2 2 are the factors of 8, 2 2 3 are the factors of 12, 2 2 5 are the factors of 20, and 2 2 7 are the factors of 28. 5 into 7 or 5 and 7 are the factors of 35. You can find here LCM. LCM means you can write here 2 3 times, because here maximum 3 2's are there. So that's why you can write here 2 3 times. After that only 1 3 is there, you can write this one, and 5 only 1 is there, you can write. Okay, so 7 1 you can write. Already this 5 we written here, and this 7 already we written here. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, so next you can multiply this all. When you will multiply, then you will get here 840. This is the LCM of 8 12 20 28 and 35. Okay, then you can add this to the 5. Okay, 840 plus 5 is 845. So here we got here x value, that is 845. Then you can add digits of x, that is 8 plus 4 plus 5. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, so therefore what is the sum of digits of x is there? So sum of digits of x is 17, you can write. That is, first one is the correct answer. Next I will go to 8th one. So question number 8, and the question is a sum of rupees 1710 is divided in A, B and C such that 4 times of A, 6 times of B and 9 times of C are equal. What is difference between A and C? This is the question. So what is given here? Given 4 times of A, 6 times of B and 9 times of C are equal. So you can write here 4 times of A into 6 times of B, 9 times of C. These all are equal. You can consider these all are equal to K. Okay. After that you can equate this one. 4 into A you can equate to the K. After that you can equate this to the K, and this also you can equate to the K. So 4 into A is K, 6 into B is K, 9 into C is K. Next you can bring this 4 this side, then this becomes divided by. Okay, so A is equals to K by 4, B equal to K by 6, C equal to K by 9. Okay, so next you can write this all in ratio. Okay, so A ratio B ratio C, which equals to K by 4 ratio K by 6 ratio K by 9. Okay, so LCM is how much? 4 6 and 9. LCM is 36 you will get. Okay, so I will check here 4 6 and 9 LCM. Okay, so you can take here first 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 9, you can write as it is. Again you can take 2 1 ja 3, you can write as it is. 9 you can write as it is. Okay, then you can take here 3 1, you can write this as it is. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja and 3 1 ja you can write. 2 2 ja 4 4 3 ja 12 12 3 ja 36. Okay, so here LCM is 36, right? Then you can substitute here in place of K this 36. Okay, so 36 by 9 means you will get here, so 36 by 4 means you will get here 9, and 36 by 6 means you will get here 6. 36 by 9 means you will get here 4. Okay, so because 4 1 ja 4 9 ja 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 9 1 ja 9 4 ja. So here A value is 9 and B value is 6 and C value is 4. Okay, then you can add here A, B and C. A plus B plus C equal to 19 you will get. So first you can find here A amount. A amount is how much you can find. So A amount is equals to, you can write here 9 divided by 19, because total how much is there? 19 is there, and A ratio is 9. Okay, so 9 divided by 19 into total amount is 1710 is there, you can write this one here. Okay, so next 19 1 ja 19, 19 9 ja 171, you can write this 0 as it is. Then you can multiply these two. 9 into 90, 9 9 ja 81, 0 you can write this as it is. Okay, so then you can find here amount of C amount you can find, that is C ratio is 4 divided by 19 means total you can write here 19. Okay, into 1710 you can write 19 1 ja 99 ja 171, you can write this 0 as it is. So 4 into 90, that is 360 you will get. So 4 divided by 19 you can write 19 1 ja 99 ja 171, you can write this 0 as it is. Okay, 4 into 90, 4 9 ja 36, you can write this 0 as it is. Then difference between A and C is 450. Okay, so because A amount is 810 minus 360 you can do. Okay, so 0 you can write as it is. This is 11. 11 minus 6 is 5, and then this becomes 4 minus 3. Sorry, this is 7 minus 3 is 4. 450. So you can write here, therefore difference between A and C is 60. You can write, and the correct option is third one, that is 450. Next I will go to ninth question. And the question is, the number of fruits in baskets A and B are in the ratio of 7:9. If 6 fruits are taken out from A and put in B, then this ratio becomes 1/3. The total number of fruits in A and B is how much? And the options are, first one is 40, second one is 28, third one is 32, fourth one is 36. Okay, so question is, what is the question? Number of fruits in baskets A and B. Okay, so here two fruit baskets are there. First one is A and second one is B. You can consider. Okay, in A basket you can consider 7x fruits are there. Okay, and in B you can consider 9x fruits are there, because already given ratio, that is 7:9. Means in A 7 times of x and in B 9 times of x are there. Okay, according to the question means 6 fruits are taken out from A. So here in a basket A, here they are taken 6 taken means you can write here minus, okay, divided by put in B means 9x plus 6 they are putting here, then you can add this one. Okay, then this ratio means divided by, you can write ratio becomes 1/1:3 or 1/3 also you can write. Okay, this is very important. Once again you can watch it, stop and watch it, and then you will understand. Okay, then you can multiply here, cross multiplication you can do. 7x minus 6 into 3, which equals to 9x plus 6. Okay, you can multiply them, and after that you can simplify, then you will get here x value. So 3 7 is 21x you can write, minus 3 6 is 18, which equals to 9x plus 6. You can write this as it is. Okay, so then 21x you can write as it is, plus 9x becomes, sorry, minus 9x you can write, correct. Okay, 21x plus 9x becomes minus 9x, plus 6 you can write as it is, minus 18 becomes plus 18. 21x minus 9x is 12x. 21 minus 9 is 12, x you can write. 6 plus 18 is 24, x is equals to 24 divided by 12. 12 on ja, 12 2 ja. Okay, so hence you got here x value is 2. Okay, so hence total number of fruits in A and B is, A is 7x and B is 9x. Okay, so 7x plus 9x, 7 you can write as it is, x value is 2. 7 2 ja 14 plus 9 into 2 is 18, 9 2 ja 18, 14 plus 18 is 32 you can write. Okay, so therefore the total number of fruits in A and B is 32, and correct option is 3, that is 32 you can write. Okay, so next I will go to 10th question. So and the question is, triangle ABC and triangle ADB are on the common base AB. Here two triangles are there, one is ABC and another one is ADB. These two are the triangles on the common base AB. These two having common base, that is AB. Okay, so and on the same side of AB, DA perpendicular to AB. So this DA is perpendicular to AB, that is 90 degree. CB is also perpendicular to AB. CB is also perpendicular to AB. Okay, and AC equal to BD. AC is equals to BD given. Which of the following is true? Means, so here which one is true? This is the question. Okay, he is asking which one is true. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BDA, or triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD, or triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADB, or triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. This is the question. Okay, so you can write here solution. After that you can consider two triangle, one is ABC and another one is ADB. Okay, so you can consider here one is ABC and another one is BAD or DAB you can consider. Okay, so in these two, AB is common for both. Okay, so here AB is common for this side and also this. Okay, so you can write here AB equal to AB because this is common side. After that AC is equals to BD, that is given. AC equal to BD. Okay, AC equal to BD you can write here given. After that angle B is equals to angle A, this also given. Okay, already given. These two are perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, so therefore you can write here by RHS means right, this is the right, sorry, this is the right, H means this is hypotenuse. Okay, and this is side, RHS. So therefore by RHS similar criterion rule you can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Okay, so which one is correct? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD, and the fourth option is correct, right? So next I will go to 11th one. So next question number 11, and the question is the sides of four triangles are given below. Sides of four triangles are given. Okay, this is the first triangle sides, and this is second triangle sides, third triangle sides, and fourth triangle sides. Okay, which of them form a right triangle? Okay, so which of them form a right triangle? This is the question. Okay, and option is first one is fourth one, or first one, or second one, or third one. This is the option. Okay, so you can remember here Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so when you will remember Pythagorean triplets, then easily you will understand this one. Okay, if you don't know Pythagorean triplets means then it is difficult. So minimum 15 to 20 Pythagorean triplets you can by head, then you will understand this one easily. Okay, so already I explained in other video 15 Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so here which one is correct means 11, 60 and 61, because when you will add square of these two, then you will get the square of this one. Okay, sum of square of these two is equals to square of this one. Okay, so and the correct answer is third one. This is the, sorry, fourth one is the correct answer. So in exam also you don't go to confuse this one, because here third one is there, but the correct answer option is fourth one, right? So next question number 12. The angle of a quadrilateral are in the ratio of 3:5:7:9. Here given quadrilateral angles in the ratio of 3:5:7:9. What is the difference between least and greatest angle of the quadrilateral? You can find here difference between least and greatest angles of quadrilateral. You can find here difference between these two angles. Okay, so and the options are first one is 90, second one is 50, third one is 60, fourth one is 72. Okay, so you don't know angles, you can consider, let the angles of quadrilateral be 3x, 5x, 7x, 9x you can consider. Okay, after that we know that is sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, this is common. Okay, sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360. So here angles are 3x, 5x and 7x and 9x. You can add this all. Okay, so these angle sum is equals to 360 degree. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24x you can write, which is equals to 360. Then you can bring this 24 this side, then this becomes divided by, okay, 360 by 24. 360 by 24. Okay, so you can use here, you can cut this one by using 6. 6 6 ja 36, you can write this 0 as it is. 6 4 ja 24. Next 4 1 ja 4, 15 ja 60. So therefore x value is 15. Then you can find here value of 3x and 9x. 3x means 3 into x minus 9 into x is 15. Okay, 3x is 45 and 59 is 135, right? So 135 minus 45, its difference you will get here 90. Okay, and the correct option is first one, that is 90. So dear students, I hope you understand. Next I will go to 13th question. So and the question is the perimeter of triangle is 12 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle is given, that is 12 centimeter. If all the three sides have lengths in centimeter in integers, then how many such different triangles are possible? Here given perimeter, that is 12. if you have perimeter of triangle is 12, then how many triangles you can possible to make this one? This is the question. Okay, so and the options are: first one is 5, second one is 2, third one is 3, and fourth one is 4. Okay, so you know one rule, that is sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than third side. This is very important. Okay, if you don't know this one means, then you can remember this one. Okay, sum of any two sides, for example this is the triangle, sum of these two side always greater than this side length. Okay, so sum of any two side of triangle is greater than third side, then only it is possible to make a triangle. Okay, so here possible combinations are, you can take here 2 comma 5 comma 5, 3 comma 4 comma 5, and 4 comma 4 comma 4, because sum of these two you will get here greater than 5, sum of these two will get here greater than 5, sum of these two also will get here greater than 4. Okay, so that's why only how many possibilities are there here? 3 possibilities are there. So third option is the correct answer. This is very important, dear friends. You can make it practice. And the question is, a godown is in the shape of cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 56 meter, 42 meter and 10 meter respectively. How many cuboidal boxes, each measuring 2.8 meter into 2.5 meter into 70 centimeter, can be stored into the godown? This is the question. Okay, next you can write here solution. Volume of godown is L into B into H, that is 56 into 42 into 10. Okay, volume of box is 2.8 into 2.5 meter into 70 centimeter is there. You can write this centimeter into meter, that is 0.7 meter you can write. Okay, so you can write here total number of box. If you want to find total number of box, then you can find here volume of godown divided by volume of box. Okay, volume of godown divided by volume of box. Volume of godown is how much? That is 56 into 42 into 10. You can write here as it is 56 into 42 into 10 divided by volume of each box, that is 2.8 into 2.5 into 0.7. Okay, so you can simplify this one. You can write this 2.8 can be written as 10 by 28, and 2.5 can be written as 10 divided by 25, and 0.7 can be written as 10 divided by 7. Okay, so 28 1 ja, 28 2 ja you can write. So next 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10 you can write. 7 1 ja 7, 7 6 ja 42. Okay, so which equals to 2 2 ja 4, 4 6 ja 4 6 ja 24. Okay, so you can write here 24 into 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 into 2 into 10 into 10 is 100, right? So 24 2 ja 48. You can write this 20 as it is. Okay, so you can write here therefore you can write here total, therefore total number of boxes stored in godown is equals to 4800. You can write total number of boxes stored in godown. You can write here stored in godown is 4800. Okay, so and the correct option is 4000, that is 4800. Next I will go to 15th question. So question is, the circumference of the base of a right circular cylinder is 528 centimeter and its height is 2 meter. What is the volume of the cylinder? This is the question. So here one right circular cylinder is there. You can find its volume. What is given here? Circumference of the base is given. Okay, circumference of base means base is in the shape of circle. Okay, so what is given? You can write here given circumference of base, that is 528 centimeter. Okay, its height is given, that is, so height is given, height is how much? 2 meter height is given. Okay, so you can find here radius using this circumference. Okay, so circumference of circle is equals to, you can write here 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is given, that is 528. Okay, so 2 pi r is equals to 528. You can write, or you can write here as it is 528 into, so 2 pi you can bring this side, then this becomes divided by. Okay, so this is the radius of cylinder is 528 divided by 2 pi centimeter. You can write volume of cylinder, you can write volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Pi you can write as it is, r means 528 into 528 because r square is there. You can multiply 2 times, 528 into 528 divided by 2 pi into 2 pi, that is 2 to the 4 pi into pi you can write. Okay, so next you can simplify this one. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja, next 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja 4, next 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8 you can write. Okay, this is in centimeter. You can convert this centimeter into meter. If you want to convert this centimeter into meter means you can multiply this by 100. Okay, 2 times 100 you can multiply because here r square is there. Okay, so 2 pi into 2 pi into 100 into 100 you can write, right? So here pi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 means 22 you can write, 7 you can write. These 2 pi get cancelled. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 264 ja 528 will get. Remaining you can write 528 here and this 264 and pi value is 22 by 7 means 7 by 22 you can write. After that you can simplify now. Okay, so when you will simplify this one, then you will get here its value is 4.4352. Okay, 4.4352 is the volume of cylinder. Okay, and the correct option is fourth one, that is 4.4352 meter cube. Okay, so next I will go to 16th question. And the question is, if 5 into 3x plus 4 minus 8 into 6x plus 7 equal to 9x minus 8, then what is the volume of x square minus 2x plus 1? This is the question. Okay, so here given one linear equation, you can find here value of x. Okay, after that when you will get here value of x, then you can substitute in this equation that x value, then you will get here its value. Okay, so solution you can write 5 into 3x plus 4, the given you can write is here. Okay, so after that 5 3 is 15x you can write plus 5 4 is 20 minus 8 6 is 48 x you can write minus into plus is minus 8 7 is 56 which equals to 9x minus 8. You can write this as it is. Okay, so plus 15x minus 48x, its value is minus 33x you will get, and minus 56 plus 20, then you will get minus 36 which equals to 9x minus 8 you can write as it is. So minus 8 you can bring this side, then this becomes plus 8. So minus 8 becomes plus 8, 36 minus 36 plus 8 means minus 28. Okay, 36 plus minus 36 plus 8 becomes, this is minus 28, and 9x plus 33x is 42x. So you can write this x as it is, then you can bring this 42 this side, then this becomes minus 28 by 42. Okay, so you can use here 14 2 ja 28, 14 3 ja 42 minus 2 by 3. So here x value is minus 2 by 3. Then you can find the value of x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so here you can substitute x value minus 2 by 3. X square means you can write here minus 2 by 3 whole square. Okay, so minus 2 into x means you can write minus 2 by 3 plus 1 you can write. Okay, so minus 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Minus into minus is plus, 2 2 is 4 divided by 3 plus 1. You can find LCM of 3 and 9. 9 and 3 LCM is 9. Okay, so 9 how much is 9? 9 1 ja, you can multiply 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 3 ja means you can multiply this also by 3. 4 3 ja 12 plus 1 9 ja means this also multiply by 9. 1 9 ja 9. 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 by 9. Okay, so therefore you can write here, therefore value of, you can write here value of x square minus 2. So next I will go to 17th question, and the question is, the area of quadrilateral is 227.2 centimeter square and the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertices to a diagonal are 7.5 2 centimeter and 8.8 centimeter. What is the length of the diagonal? This is the question. So in this question, what is given here? Area of quadrilateral is given. Area of this quadrilateral is 227.2 centimeter square is given. Okay. After that, the length of the perpendicular. Okay. So length of the perpendicular means here what is given? AE and CF. These two are perpendicular. Okay. Its length given. So AE length is 7.2 centimeter and CF length is 8.8 centimeter. Okay. So these two given. So next, what we have to find here? We have to find here length of the diagonal. Okay. So length of the diagonal means you can find here BD length. Okay. So next you can write here solution. After that you can, if you want to find area of this quadrilateral, if you want to find area of quadrilateral means you can cut this quadrilateral into two triangles. That is, first one is triangle ABD and second one is area of triangle BDC. So first you can find area of this triangle, that is ABD, and after that BDC triangle area you can find. Okay. So sum of these two triangles area is equal to area of triangle ABCD. Okay. So already we know the formula of area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle formula is half into base into height. Here height is AE. Okay. So you can take here AE height and base is BD. So half you can write as it is, half into base, that is BD is the base, into height 7.2, this is height, plus you can write as it is area of triangle BDC, half into base is BD and height is CF, that is 8.8 you can write. Okay. So area of quadrilateral is given, that is 222.7, right. So area of quadrilateral is 227.2 centimeter square, which equals to, you can take here common, that is 1 by 2 into B you can take common, remaining is 7.2 plus 8.8. Okay. This you can write as it is, which equals to 1 by 2 you can write, BD you can write 7.2 plus 8.8. Sum of these two is 16. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Okay. So BD you can write as it is, this 8 you can bring this side, then this becomes divided by. Okay. So therefore BD is equals to 227.2 divided by 8. You can simplify or you can divide this one, then you will get 28.4. So I will divide here. Okay. So 8 2 ja 16, then this is 6. Okay. So then you can take here 7, 8 8 ja 64, 3, then you can give this point here and you can bring this to here, 8 4 ja 32. Okay. 0 0. So therefore length of the diagonal is 28.4 centimeter you can write, and the correct option is third one, that is 28.4 centimeter. Next I will go to 18th question. So the question is, what is the value of A into A plus B square plus C plus B square into A square plus B square plus C square minus C into A plus B square. Okay. And also here given, that is A equal to 1, B equal to minus 3 and C equal to minus 2 is given. Okay. So if A equal to 1, B equal to minus 3 and C equal to minus 2, then what is the value of this he is asking. Okay. So first you can write here solution, after that given. What is given here? A value is given, that is 1, B value is minus 3, C value is minus 2. Okay. So you can substitute A, B, C value in this expression. Okay. So you can substitute here A means 1 into A means 1 plus B square means minus 3 square minus 3 square minus 3 square value is plus 9. Okay. So you can write here plus 9 plus C value is minus 2 you can write as it is, plus B square value is, that is minus 3 square, minus 3 square is 9 into bracket A square means 1 square is 1 plus B is minus 3 whole square is 9 plus C is minus 2 square is 4. Okay. So here minus C is there. Okay. So C value is minus 2 minus into minus is plus, c value you can write 2 into bracket a means 1 you can write plus b square is, that is minus 3 square 9. Okay, so 1 into anything means anything. Okay, or 1 into n is n only. So 1 plus 9 is 9, plus into minus is minus 2 you can write as it is, plus 9 into 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, plus 2 you can write as it is, 1 plus 9 is 10, right? Then you can add and subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8, plus 9 into 14, 49 is 126, plus 2 into 10 is 20, 8 plus 126, you will get here 134, 134 plus 20, that is 154. Okay, so and the correct answer is 154, that is third one. Next I will go to 19th question. Okay, and the question is the expression, this expression is equal to what? This is the question. Okay, so you can write here solution. Okay, after that you can write this given expression. Already we know that is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and also one more formula we know, that is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so this is in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is equals to a cube minus b cube. So here you can write, in place of this you can write x cube minus y cube, because from this formula. Okay, so plus you can write this is in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So if a plus b into a square minus b square, sorry, a square minus ab plus b square means you can write here a cube plus b cube. Here a cube means x cube plus b cube means y cube. Okay, in place of this you can write x cube plus y cube, because from this formula. Okay, so minus you can write x plus y you can write as it is, x square minus y square also you can write as it is. Okay, so then you can add these two. Okay, plus x cube becomes 2x cube, minus y cube plus y cube get cancelled. Okay, so minus you can write as it is, x into x square is x cube, minus into plus, this is minus. Okay, so minus into plus is minus, y into x square is yx square, right? So minus into minus is plus, x into y square is xy square. Then this is plus into minus is minus, minus y into minus y square, minus into minus is plus, y into y square is y cube. Okay, so which with this implies, so this implies 2x cube minus 1x cube is x cube. Okay, so plus y cube we can write this as it is, minus x minus yx square and plus xy square is there. What is common in these two? xy is common. Okay, you can take here xy common, remaining one y you can write here, and minus you can write here. This x square is there, already x you taken common, remaining one x you can write as it is. Okay, so then this becomes x cube plus y cube plus xy into y minus x. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, so fourth one is the correct answer, that is x cube plus y cube plus xy into y minus x. So and the question is, what is the mean of the median, mode and range for the data given below? So you can find here mean of the median, mode and range. These three mean you can find. Okay, so if you want to find mean of median, mode and range means first you can find median, mode and range for the given data. Okay, so these all are the given data, right? So here you can write solution. After that you can arrange here given data in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger you can write, or increasing order you can write. First you can write 0, after that you can write 8, after that you can write 9, after that you can write 11, after that you can write 11. Okay, then 17 and 18. Okay, and 20 you can write, this 20 you can write here. Okay, so then you can write this 24 here, 25, 25, 25 and 29 you can write. Okay, so then you can write 30, 30, 44 you can write this particular here 50 you can write. Okay, so these all are now in ascending order. Okay, so after that first you can find first one median you can find. So median means middlemost observation. Middlemost observation means median. So now you can find here middlemost observation 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 you can cancel 1 2 you can cancel 1 2 you can cancel. Okay, so middlemost observation is 24. This is called median. Then mode means maximum repeated observation. Mode means maximum time repeated observation, that is 25. Here 25 is repeated 3 times. Okay, so that's why you can write here mode is 25. Then range formula is highest minus lowest terms, or highest minus lowest data. Highest is 50 and lowest is 0. 50 minus 0 is 50. Okay, so then you can find here mean of median, mode and range. If you want to find mean of median, mode and range means you can add these 3 and divide by 3. So here median is 24 plus mode is 25 plus range is 50. Okay, 24 plus 25 plus 50 is 99 divided by 3. 99 by 3 means 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. Okay, so therefore mean is equals to 33. This is the correct answer, and the option is fourth one is the correct option, that is 33. So now I will go to 21st question, and the question is a mathematical theorem is. Mathematical theorem is what? This is the question. Okay, so mathematical theorem is a statement without sufficient evidence for proof, or a statement that has been proven by logical arguments based on axioms, or a statement which is always true and does not need proof, or a statement whose truth or falsity is not known. So a correct option is mathematical theorem is a statement that has been proven by logical arguments based on axioms. This is the correct answer. Okay, so next I will go to 22nd question. So next question is things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. This axiom, which is basis to arithmetic and algebra, is given by. So this is given by Euclid. This is the correct answer, because so in Euclid geometry he given axioms and some lemma related to theorems. Okay, so here related to or basis to arithmetic and algebra is given by Euclid. I hope you understand. Thanks for